In this video, I will show you the easiest and most profitable YouTube automation idea that you can start in 2023 as a beginner. Now, here is the first example of a channel list. This channel is called Badai5 List and it is making money, $8,800 per month, because they get about 2 million views every 30 days, and they actually launched this channel in 2013. But if you open this channel, you can see from the creator of this channel, the channel never really showed his face in this video. This video is free audio from a script or someone reading the script, and then the actual images that are on the screen, it's given that when someone opens it, they want to watch. Here is another example, this one called Old Money Lecture, and this one actually started recently, just 2 months ago, and so far they are making about $7,400 a month. But what does this tool that I use from Social Blade do? I don't know if these types of videos actually have a higher CPM or CPM. So this channel probably making a lot more than $7,400 a month. But even if you open this channel, you can see that these are really faceless videos. If they literally contain different facts and different kinds of looks, so someone creates a script, someone reads that script, and then we have some images on the screen, and this person is probably making $10,000 a month right now with all the different source of income, and it literally started 2 months ago, which is pretty crazy how quickly you can get to $10,000 a month. And this channel is also about history, called History Buffs. This guy literally just watches history videos and then posts and earn over $8,800 a month. He is also a faceless channel. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. So what you want to do is open ChatGPT 4. Is available to those who have purchased this feature. In this section, there are facilities that you can prepare the desired channel script. Therefore, in order to be able to use a ChatGPT 4 feature, you have to purchase its feature. You can easily rewrite a script by placing the video link, but we can use the second and completely free method that I have already thought on this channel. Prepare a video. For example, we select one of the videos and click on the 3 dots, and we select the show transcribed option. Here we have to rewrite all the items. That's why this tool is called. We use Quillbot and put all the selected text here. Press the green button. As you can see, all our text is overwritten. Here we enter the InVideo site to make our own video. My advice to you is to definitely upgrade your account to a paid account by paying a small amount. You can use the unlimited features of this site and make attractive videos. For example, we choose these templates and we put the script here. We have already done this. You can also make an attractive video by putting the script from this part. You can set the voice automatically or your favorite voice put here. In this way, with this tool that I introduced to you today, you can produce attractive videos and earn money online through YouTube.